it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on and do a quick haul for you. I have one Dollar Tree haul and one Joann's haul, so I will show you both of them. First, we'll start with Dollar Tree. So I picked up some things to do some DIYs, and the first thing is this just circle trinket tray. I'm sorry, I've got ink on my hands. I was stamping. And then this votive candle holder. So the idea here is to glue these together like this to form a platform, and then probably spray paint it black with maybe gold accents. And I'll be doing the DIY on my channel, so if you're interested in Dollar Tree DIYs, hit that subscribe button and you'll be able to see it. Then I picked up these 3 pumpkins, and you'll notice each one has a hole in the bottom, which is going to be really important for this project. So I've got this one, which is the biggest one. Then this one, which again, I put the hole in the bottom. I wanted to see if it would work, is the middle size one, and that's going to sit on top. So you're going to get that. And then the last one is more of a pear shape, more of a gourd shape. And then that one's going to sit on top here. Get the stickers off my fingers. So it's going to look like that. And I think I'm going to spray paint them white. Maybe a burnt orange. Maybe I might even leave this one. And then like a pale Tiffany blue or like a robin's egg blue, I think. So that's my idea. And then they're going to go on this stand. So it's going to be a pumpkin topiary, kind of like that. It's so hard to show you. But I think that'll look so cute. So like I said, stick around if you're interested in seeing how I put that together. All right, also from Dollar Tree, I found these really cool iridescent straws. These were in the wedding aisle. So I thought that would be cool to go with Halloween, Happy Mail, or making wands for Halloween. I also picked up 3 of these pumpkins, and these are just the Thankful, Grateful, Blessed. So they have the glitter on the front, the raffia bow. I'm thinking of using this side and spelling out either boo or eek with my Cricut and putting them on there. So I'm not going to do much with the front. I might just leave it, maybe do some hairspray to make sure the glitter doesn't come off everywhere, and maybe wrap the stems in like a twine. I'm going to take this bow off, and like I said, that's just going to spell out boo or eek. So I'm not going to have to do much to those. Just a couple other things. I did pick up this webbing, the spider web cloth. I thought that I could use that in Happy Mail too, or like the back of wands where you would put tulle, or on bag toppers. I'm not sure, but I thought I definitely could put that in with my Halloween things. I picked up these spider rings, and I thought they would be cute to embellish Halloween goodies with. So I plan on just cutting off the back part and then hot gluing them on. But I love the purple and the orange bling on there, so I thought that would be cute. This sign I just bought to put in my craft room. I just thought it was cute. It says, "Welcome, my pretties." I like that it's got like this faux wood look for her hat. And the glitter on there is actually really done nice, so that just stands up. And then the last thing from Dollar Tree was just these pumpkins. I'm going to be using these for DIYs also. And these have the wire on the back, so you can string them around, something if you want to use them for a wreath or in a floral arrangement. So that is Dollar Tree. Joann's had a couple things on clearance. So I picked up this coffee mug, which is going to go out in some Happy Mail. This was on clearance for $3.47. The person that I'm sending to really likes vintage and likes the fashion model, so I thought that was perfect. I picked up some stickabilities from the Paper Studio. They're just little round puffy stickers. I found these on clearance, Maggie Home Sunny Days bows. Those were $1.97. And let's see, I picked up 2 different ribbons. I've got the farmhouse, like the gingham, and then I got a plaid that's a really deep navy, a gray, and an orange. So I'm going to be using those for some DIYs. And then I really wanted to show you guys these picks, because the picks at Joann's are 50% off right now. and I just wanted to show you the quality of them. So compared to Dollar Tree, I think that they are much, much better quality. I think they look more realistic. I think that they're fuller, and I think they're really well made. So if you can get these for 50% off, so this was $3.99 and I got it 50% off, so I paid $2 for it. I really think it was worth it. I don't think you could find anything like this at Dollar Tree. This one, you know, you've got the almost the eucalyptus looking leaves, and then the berries here. This one was also $3.99, so I picked it up for $2. This one I thought was super interesting with the wood leaves. I think that is really neat, and it's got some pretty berries, and I like the brown colors. So that one was $2.99, so I picked it up for $1.50. So for just 50 cents more from what you could buy at Dollar Tree, I think the quality is much better. This one I thought was really pretty, really wispy with the kind of Lazy Susans or yellow daisy type flowers here. This one was also $2.99, so I paid $1.50 for that. And then I just got acorns. So the acorns were $2.99, so I paid $1.50 also. And they just look really, really nice. So I love the quality of Joann's Floral. So, you know, it's something to think about. It may not be as convenient as picking everything up at Dollar Tree, but I definitely think it's worth the extra trip to pick up something that looks that nice. So that's it, guys. It was just a really quick haul. I just wanted to make sure that I showed it to you, and happy crafting. Bye.